everyone, I wanted to show you how I am using Jamboard in reading class. I'm using it a couple of different ways. One way that I use Jamboard is I will write a question up here about the text, and the kids will put a sticky note in there with their answer. And so that could be find a piece of evidence, and they could put what page it's on. I mean, all kinds of different ways to use that. I use this particular Jamboard when I am teaching whole group. And I also like to use Jamboards in small groups, and it took me a little while to figure out exactly how I was going to do that. And so I thought I would show you. So I created this Jamboard. It has 18 pages. The kids are going to do some character analysis where they're going to design a slide with images of the character and information about the characters. And then there's also other things that are connected to the book that I included throughout this. And so there's page numbers at the top. So this is kind of like a workbook. And how I'm going to get it out to the kids is I want one to be assigned to each of the students or each of the teams. And so I just made copies of the entire slide. And you can do that by going here, make a copy. And then as you can see, I have now several copies of the same exact slideshow. And then how I get the links out to the kids is I make sure that I share them properly. So I change it from viewer only to editor, and I get the link, and then I put it in a Canvas assignment. So I thought I'd show you what that looks like. And so their first assignment will be over a 2-week period, and they're going to complete the character pages on the Jamboard. And when they are done, they will, in the text box, write done, which will indicate that it's time for me to go in and grade. And they will do this in breakout rooms. And then I linked each of their team's Jamboard here. And the cool thing about doing that is then later, if you want to make another assignment in Canvas, you can just duplicate it, so you don't have to link those again. So when I want them to do page 11 of the Jamboard, I will just write duplicate here, or I'll click on these 3 snowman things, duplicate, and then I will go in there. I will change the directions. So I'll edit this assignment. And it would probably say more than what I'm going to write right now, but then I would say complete page 11 of the Jamboard as a team, write done when finished. And I make sure that I select it as it's a group assignment. I select the group teams here that I had already made, and then I would do save and publish. And so the kids would go in there. I also need to change the title from character to page 11. I think it's about civil rights. So anyways, this is a way that I can use Jamboard, and it's really cool because they do it in their breakout rooms. And so they all have access to this Jamboard in their breakout room, and they can put sticky notes on there to talk about, who Bologna is. She's a mother, and all of the other things that make her who she is, all the different things that we know. They might even find a picture from the movie with her. And so anyways, it's kind of a cool way for kids to collaborate and work as a team, yet still get grades, but to be involved. So enjoy, use if you would like.